To make editing easier, our AI can help by regenerating content with our Easy Edit feature. In each lecture, there are a few functions above the narration transcript text box. Each symbol represents a specific editing option. If you hover over each option, you can see the respective function, such as simplify, condense, expand, and custom instructions. When using simplify, condense, or expand, a pop-up will appear to show you what the new text will look like. By default, the video title and bullet points will also be regenerated when you replace the text. Click on Insert Text to update the existing text. You can also provide custom instructions in the text box at the bottom, then click Regenerate. After it regenerates, select Insert Text. It's important to note that once you regenerate, you cannot go back to the previous versions. For multiple choice questions, you can change the question by clicking on the left/right arrows above the question box. From the question bank, select a new question. When you've chosen your new question, click on Replace Question. Our AI will regenerate the answer field to match the newly selected question. If you do not want the answer field to be regenerated, uncheck the box. You can provide specific guidance to help the AI generate more tailored questions in the text box at the bottom, and then select Generate More. To change the questions in a guided conversation, first you click on the left/right arrows above the question box. Then choose a new question from the question bank, and then Replace Question. Our AI will regenerate the answer field to match the newly selected question. If you do not want the answer field to be regenerated, uncheck the box. You can also provide specific guidance to help the AI generate more tailored questions. Then click on Generate More. Click Replace Question after choosing a new question. Our Smart Regenerate function regenerates content based on other fields within the same activity. If you use this function, you can't revert back to a previous version of whatever is replaced. You can find this in lecture slide title and bullet points, where fields are automatically regenerated based on the lecture text, or in the guided conversation or assessment correct answer fields, where it updates the correct answer to match a question that's been edited.